Welcome back, friends. Today's fun project, we're going to hook up that dryer. Real simple. I wanted to show a video on just how to hook up a dryer. There's really nothing to it. Dryers are the easiest thing to install. As you saw before with the dolly, we use the dolly, we just set them in there. On the bottom of these things, they got 4 legs, and you can actually level it. Now, why do you want a dryer level? Really, the only reason you want a dryer level is the door. When you open the door, you want it to stay right where it is. You don't want it to swing open, and you don't want it to just automatically shut the minute you open it. So you can always tell if you did a good job if you can open up a dryer door and it doesn't shut. Now, some of my dryers, the big ones, see how it's just moving a little bit? So that's the only thing to them. So you got a gas line, electric line, you got your vent, intake air, and the legs on it. So let's get started. You hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. I had these hooked up before. I'm gonna use a different gas pipe. Not that you need to. I mean, if it was burnt, ruined, yes. Some people do it on new machines. They'll put all new gas lines, flexible ones on, because you just never know with the current owner what they did. This part's what I want, the valve. I really just need this part of it. And I'll go put some dope on this. So now we got the gas line ready to go in. Now we can work on the vent pipe. Now this dryer, 55-pound dryers take 8-inch pipes. The stacked 45s I have take 10-inch. Old single pockets might have taken 6-inch, but I don't think so. I think most of the smaller ones take 8-inch also that I've ever run into. Alright, so the fun begins now. So let's go get some electrical stuff and let's take this apart. Now we got power. Now all we gotta do is put the vent in. Let's get that done. One of the most important things you can do when you're putting new dryers in is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean the whole area. Scrub it down, wash it, get everything out of there. Get it clean. This is your chance to clean it up, make it perfect. I know it'll be dirty again, but it's a perfect chance to get it really scrubbed down. This isn't perfect. This is what we gotta do. We gotta put the boot on there. We gotta hook it up there. Not always easy. That's what it looks like. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the gas on, we're going to fire it up. We're going to see if it works, we're going to see if it leaks. I probably won't leave it on today. I may leave it on another day. I just want to make sure I don't have a gas leak. Worst thing you could have now is a gas leak and you don't pay attention. So I'll turn this on tomorrow and I'll be here tomorrow to do some more stuff. So that's when I'll leave it on permanently. Let's go ahead and fire it up, see what she does. Well, she's running. She's turned off the gas. She's nice and hot. My advice is, whenever you're installing machines, run them for a quarter, watch them the whole time. Like it just fired up again. heard that ticking noise? That was the igniter. If it's going to run or have an issue, it's going to have an issue with that 1/4 just like it would at any time. So dryers, run them for one full cycle, watch them. Well, another successful repair or install. Well, there you have it. Dryer install, working just fine. Hope you liked the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Well, that's all the time we got today, folks. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all subscribers. I appreciate you watching. Hope you got something out of it. I have fun making them, so until next time, catch you later. Be safe, take it easy.